want to see something cool? Follow me. What's this, you might ask? Oh, this is the hoverboard. What does it do? Well, let me show you. Just flip the switch right here. Ooh, magic. Now watch what happens when I put it on the floor. You see that? It continues to move. Now that's what happens when I kick it. Hey, it didn't stop. It's still going. This is a hoverboard. Well, it's a smaller version, but it's the basic idea. There's air under here. When I turn it on, the air fills up these pockets. And when it hits the surface, there's no friction. That's why it's able to move. When you kick it, or if it slides itself, force is being acted on by the object. So, if it's met by any unbalanced force, for example a kick, it's going to move in whatever direction the force moves. But if an unbalanced force acts on it like the wall, it'll stop, well, temporarily. Now there's no air. And the object's not going to move because there's friction acting on it. Now it just stops because there's friction.